Good morning, my dear children. Today I'm going to take you GK class. Okay, and this is for Standard 1, A1 and A2 section, Tamil Nadu Board syllabus. Okay, from page number 35, I'm going to teach you now. Take out your GK book. Before learning, let us all close our eyes for prayer. Merciful Father in heaven, we thank Thee for this wonderful new day. Dear Jesus, thank you for the good breath in our nostril. Thank you for the good health and strength. Thank you for the care and protection. Thank you for everything, Lord. Shower Thy wisdom from above to learn our lessons well and to come up in our life. This we ask in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, shall we start? Page number 35, Up in the Sky. Page number 35, Up in the Sky. Look at the picture. Daytime is there and nighttime is there. In the daytime, sun is there. Birds are flying. Clouds are there. Okay. Nighttime, moon is there. Stars are there. Okay. Nighttime is in the right side and daytime is in the left side. And in between, you can see the clouds, rain falling down, raindrops falling down, and the clouds also. Okay. What are the birds you are seeing in this one? Sun, clouds, moon, day, night, a rainbow, rain, stars. And you can see the sun, moon, clouds, a rainbow, stars, and two birds also there. Now we are going to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the picture. I float in the sky. I am dark and big when it rains. Okay, which will float in the sky? It will be dark in color when it rains. When the rain comes, it will be dark. During the daytime, we can see in white color. Okay, it will be like a snow. That is called clouds. Already it is written there. Second one. I give you heat and light. Which one gives us heat and light? It is the source of light for us during the daytime. That is sun. Write the spelling for sun, S-U-N, sun. Third one, I am round and bright. You see me at the night. We can see this one at night. It will be round in shape and it gives us light also. It will be very bright. That is moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Number 4, I twinkle. I am very far away. Okay, I'll twinkle during the night time and it will be very, very far away from us. That is star, S-T-A-R, star. Number 5, I fall from the dark clouds. Which will fall from the dark clouds? It will be drop, it will come from there. Okay, that is rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Next one. I sometime appear when it stops raining. After raining, we can see this one in the sky. What is that one? And it has 7 beautiful colors. That is a rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Go to next page. Page number 36. A colorful rainbow. A colorful rainbow. See the colorful rainbow there? Okay. Have you seen a rainbow? It has 7 colors. How many colors are there in rainbow? There are 7 colors. We can see this rainbow after the rain gets stopped. மழை பெய்ந்து முடித்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த ரெயின்போவை நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Okay, this rainbow has 7 colors. In Tamil we will say Vanavil. Okay, we can see in the sky. It has 7 colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. See from the first. Violet color, then indigo, then blue color, then green, then yellow, then orange, then red. Okay, you color it with your color pencil. Okay, shall we go to page number 37? Page number 37. What fun! What will come next? Draw in the empty boxes. You can see the empty boxes and you have to draw in that one. I have did for you. You can look at the picture and draw it. First is sun, moon, and sun. You have to draw there. Second one, apple, banana, apple, banana. You have to draw apple in the last box. Next one, egg, flower, and last you must draw a egg. Okay, next one. Circle the odd one out in each set. There are 4 sets, okay? You have to circle the odd one. Odd one means which does not belong to that group. Can you understand? Which does not belong to that group is called the odd one, okay? See the birds, frog and butterfly. These 3 are what? Insects, animal and a bird. But girl is a human being. We human being have 6 senses, but all the other things have only 5 senses. So girl is a odd one. Circle the girl. Next one, furnitures are there, but book is there. So book is a odd one. Next one, shirt, pant and slipper is there. One ice cream is there. Ice cream is a eatable. So that is a odd one. Circle that one. Next one, raincoat, umbrella and shoe is there. Rain shoe. Then kite is there. Which is a odd one? Kite is a odd one because these 3 things we will use it in the rainy season. Kite we will fly it in the sky. So kite is a odd one. Go to next page, page number 38. Page number 38, spot them. 2 picture is given there, okay? Same picture only, picture A and picture B. And something is different in picture A, you have to circle it. You have to find 6 differences from picture A, okay? That picture will not be in picture B. So you have to find it and circle it. First one, see the bird. Blue bird is not in picture B. So you have to circle blue bird. Then sun is not in picture B. Circle sun. Then come this side. One lady and one girl is there, okay? One blue color bag is there. That is not in picture B. So circle bag picture. Then stamp. One man is throwing the ball now. There in picture A, we have 3 stems there. But in picture B, there are no stem. So circle the stem. Then flower. In picture A, there are 2 flowers. But in picture B, only 1 flower. So you have to circle the 2 flowers. Okay. Then building. See in picture here A, we have a pink color building. But in picture B, it is not there. So circle the pink color building. Totally 6 differences we have found out. Bird, sun, pink color building, blue color bag, stamp and flower. Can you understand? Total 6 is over. You circle it. Look at the picture and circle it. Next one. Page number 39. What next? Number each set of picture correctly. Okay. First one is done for you. Number 1 is done for you. And see number 2. It is already ready to cut off the sheaves. That is number 2. Number 3 is storing. All the grains are took to the storeroom and they are storing inside. Okay. Then next one. A girl is taking the book and this girl is drawing a picture. Number 2. And this side boy. Now only he is taking the pencil and drawing. And the second one is finished coloring. Number 1 and number 2. Look at the picture and you can put the number. Page number 39. You look at this picture and put number 1, 2, 3. Go to next page. Page number 40. Page number 40. Count and write. Look at the pictures, write the number name. Look at the picture and write the number name. A bicycle has two wheels. Bi means two, okay? Bi means two. So already two is written there. Okay, next one. A tricycle has three wheels. Tri means three. So you have to write there THREE 3. A tricycle has three wheels. Number 3. Two hands have. How many fingers? Two hands have 10 fingers. How many fingers? Both the hands, if we count our fingers, we will get 10. 10 fingers. Two hands have 10 fingers. Okay, next one. 2 feet have 10 toes. Look at the picture, fourth one. Toes means கால்ல இருக்க விரல்கள். Okay. 2 feet have 10 toes. Right there, 10. T-E-N, 10. Next one, number 5. A week has 7 days. What are the 7 days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. A week has 7 days. From Sunday to Saturday, there are 7 days. 7 days in a week. Week na varam. ஒரு வாரத்தில் 7 நாட்கள் இருக்கிறது. Okay. From Sunday to Saturday. Next, number 6. A butterfly has 4 wings. Look at the butterfly. Count the wings. How many wings are there? 4. F-O-U-R, 4. A butterfly has 4 wings. Number 7. An octopus has 8 arms. How many arms does the octopus has? Look at the picture number 7. Count the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 arms. An octopus has 8 arms. Then a seesaw has 2 seats. Look at the seesaw. Number 8 picture. 2 children are sitting in the opposite directions and they are playing. So how many seats are there? 2 seats are there. Write 2 in the blank. Can you understand? Are you clear? Shall we go to next page? Page number 41. Page number 41. Meet my family. Read what Amma is saying to his teacher. Amman is saying to his teacher. This is my father. I call him Baba. His name is Ravi Shindri. He drives a taxi. Complete these sentences. Draw or paste picture in the frames. Okay? You have to do this page. You have to ask your mother or father to write this page. If you want, you can paste the photo of themselves. 42. Shall we go to page number 42? Page number 42. Who is right? Who is doing the right things? Tick the circles. Look at the picture. First picture, A1 and B1. 2 boys are playing on the road. That is wrong. And B1 is playing in the ground. That is tick. Okay. Number 2. A boy and a mother is not mother. A boy and the grandmother is crossing the road in the zebra crossing. That fellow is not taking his grandmother. So that is wrong. See the B picture. He's catching her hand and going. Okay. So that is tick. Number 2 is tick. Number 3. Both the children are brushing, but in B picture, the water is spilling down. That is wrong. We should not waste water. Okay, so B1 is wrong. In third one, A1 is correct. Okay, come down. Talk about it. Will you buy sweets from this shop? Look at the shop there. How it is. It is kept outside and many flies. Fly means house fly is flying on the sweets. Can we buy this one? No, we should not buy sweets there because of what? because housefly are flying, and it will sit on the sweets, and it will spread diseases. Immediately they will hatch eggs. Okay, so we should not eat that sweet. We should not buy from the outside shop. Okay, we have to buy the sweets which is kept covered. ஓகே, புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? அவுட் சைட் ஸ்வீட்ஸ் வந்து கவர் இல்லாமல் இருக்கிற ஸ்வீட்ஸை நம்ம வாங்கக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா அது மேலே டஸ்ட் விழும், ஈக்கள் அது மேலே உட்காந்து என்ன பண்ணும், உடனே உட்கார்ந்து அடுத்த செகண்டே அது ஒரு முட்டை விட்டுடும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அது ஜெர்ம்ஸை ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணும். ஸோ we should not eat the fruits. We should not eat the sweets which is kept uncovered. Okay, we have to buy the sweets which is covered and we have to eat it. Okay children, shall we go to next page? Page number 43. Page number 43. I care. What will you say? Write A or B in the circle. What will you say? Write A or B in the circle. See the first one. Happy birthday. This is for you. What you should say? You should say thank you. Two answers are given. Thank you or I do not like it. You should not say I do not like it. எனக்கு பிடிக்காது அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. Thank you சொல்லி வாங்கிக்கணும் எப்போ உங்கள் பர்த்டே அன்னைக்கு. ஸோ ரைட் A in the circle. Come to second one. One man has put the fruits down and one boy is taking. What you should say? May I help you? நான் உங்களுக்கு உதவி செய்யட்டுமா? Okay, write B in the circle. You should not say, நீங்கள் என்ன இவ்வளோ கேர்லெஸ்ஸாக இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? We should not say that word because you are all small children. You have to help the elderly person. So you have to ask, may I help you? Okay, number 3. Will you put the plates on the table? Mother is asking that girl. Will you put these plates on the table, ma? The plates எல்லாம் டேபிளில் வைக்கிறீங்களா? என்ன சொல்வீங்க நீங்கள்? நோ, ஐ எம் வாட்சிங் டிவி. இல்லை நான் டிவி பார்க்குறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்வீங்களா? நோ, யூ ஷுட் நாட் சே லைக் தட். யூ ஷுட் சே எஸ் ஐ வில். சரி மம்மி, நான் பிளேட்ஸ் எல்லாம் டேபிளில் போடுறேன் மம்மி அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும் நீங்கள். ஓகே, ஸோ யூ ரைட் பி இன் த சர்க்கிள். ஓகே, நம்பர் 4. மே ஐ ப்ளே வித் யூ. யாராவது வந்து உங்கள் கூட கேட்குறாங்க, நான் உங்கள் கூட விளையாடட்டுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. அப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன சொல்வீங்க? நோ 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 நோ, டோன்ட் கம் வித் அஸ். இல்லை எங்கள் கூட வராதிங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்வீங்களா? ஷுட் நாட் சே லைக் தட். ஓகே, அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. கம் ஜாயின் அஸ், வா எங்கள் கூட வந்து சேர்ந்து விளையாடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். ஸோ ரைட் ஏ இன் த சர்க்கிள். ஓகே, மே ஐ ப்ளே வித் யூ அப்படின்னு கேட்டால் என்ன சொல்லணும்? கம் ஜாயின் அஸ். Okay, these are the good habits. Okay, you should say these words. Thank you. May I help you? Yes, I will help you. Yes, come and join with us. All these are beautiful, kind words. You have to learn these words. Okay, is it clear now, children? Shall we go to the next page? Page number 44. Page number 44. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? Look at the picture and you have to put the number. See the first one, A1. Already number 1 is written there. Number 2, your brother is sharing sweets for his sister. And number 3, both of them are eating. Okay, whatever you have to share with your sister or brother. Second picture, sharing. Third picture is eating. Look at the picture and write the number. And next one, B1. One boy is playing with the football. He is throwing the ball and that ball hit the girl and she fell down. Number 1 is already written. Number 2, she is falling down. Okay, her books are on the floor. Now in number 3, that boy is coming and helping the girl to take all the books. and he is carrying that girl also. Okay, number 3, that picture. So 2, 1 and 3. Next picture, you look at the picture and put the number. One family is going to visit a shop, that is shop, a pet shop. Okay, and they are seeing many birds are inside the cage, and the birds are also sad and the children are also sad. So they went inside the shop and they opened the cage, and all the birds flew away very happily. Okay, then next one, D1. See, one girl is walking the footpath. Second one, after the footpath, she is keeping the leg on the pedestrian crossing, that is zebra crossing, and she is walking on the zebra crossing. From the first, 3, 2, 1. From the last, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you write the number. Look at the picture and write the number. Shall we go to next page? Page number 45. Sum it up. Page number 45. Sum it up. Which game do you play inside? Write I. Which game do you play outside? Write O. For the games which you play outside, you have to write O. The games which you play inside, you have to write I. Number 1. Where will you play seesaw? In the playground. That is outside, you write O. Number 2. Roundabout. Outside. Okay. Roundabout we have to play in the ground only. So that is outside game. Carrom board we will play inside. Ludo we will play inside. Swing we have to play outside. Snake and ladder inside. Right? O for outside game and I for inside game. Number B1. Alphabet B. Circle the correct word. Where do you buy a book? Look at the picture there, book picture. You have to circle bookshop. We buy book in a bookshop. Number 2. Where do you post a letter? We post a letter in a post office. Circle it. Who fixes a tap? That is a tap picture. Okay, who will fix? Plumber will fix a tap. Plumber, Plumber, plumber. Number 4. Who mends your shoes? Who will mend your shoe? Cobbler, Cobbler, cobbler. Okay, look at this picture and you will circle it. You can circle it. Okay. C. Which game do you play with these? Match with the names. See below one. Below words are given. A is football, B is cricket and C is badminton. From the picture to the words you match it. I have drawn lines. You can see that one and you can match it. Okay, come to page number 46. Last page, page number 46. Draw lines to match. Draw lines to match. Independence Day is on 15th August. Independence Day is on 15th August. Republic Day is on 26th January. Republic Day is on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti is on 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is on 2nd October. Okay, draw lines and match it. Now E, alphabet E. Circle the parts of a computer. Write their names on the blanks. Okay, there are many parts given here. You have to circle the parts of the computer and write the name below. First one, monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. Circle. Look at the picture and you can circle it and write the names of the parts. Write monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. Okay, now F. Circle the correct words. Circle the correct word. Eid or Qutb Minar is a festival. Which is a festival? Eid is a festival. Circle that one. Circle that word. Number 2. We use a car or ship to travel by water. By water, okay? Or by sea, we are traveling. How we will travel? We will travel by ship. Okay, number 3. We need chess or die to play some game. Okay, we can write a die. Okay, circle that one. A week has 7 days. Week means or varam. How many days are there in a varam? There are 7 days in a week or varam. What are the 7 days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. How many days are there totally? 7 days. A week has 7 days. Number 5. A rainbow has 7 colors. How many colors are there in rainbow? Already I have taught you in one page. There are totally 7 colors. What are the 7 colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, and it will come like that. Okay, you can see the book and learn. Number 6. So you have to circle the word 7 in 5th one. Now come to 6th one. The sun gives us heat and light. Which one gives us heat and light? During the daytime only we will feel very, very hot. So the sun is giving heat. Okay, heat and light. The moon will give only light. So the sun is giving heat and light. Circle the word sun. S-U-N, sun. Okay, now GK is over. Till this page you write it and learn it. Okay, I will give you some portions for third midterm test from the subject GK. Okay children, thank you. Bye. Shall I end by this one? Thank you my dear children and thank you parents.